Torch down roofing in Baltimore, Maryland. If you're looking for a new roof system or are investigating options to repair an existing roof, you may have heard of torch down roofing. This type of modified bitumen is often used on slightly pitched roofs and is especially well suited for flat roofs and moderately pitched roofs. Torch down roofing creates a seamless, watertight barrier that is extremely durable and long-lasting. It can also be applied directly to an existing roof, saving time and money during the installation process. Regular maintenance is necessary for torch down roofing systems to promote a long lifespan of about 20 years before replacement. Torch down roofing is a type of roofing membrane that is easy to install, provides a waterproof seal, and is very cost-effective. There are many benefits to torch down roofing, making it an excellent choice for residential and commercial applications. Torch down roofing is an excellent option for buildings in areas with high temperatures or that rely on heating and cooling during winter months. Torch down roofing can be used on a variety of different surfaces, such as shingle roofs, flat roof systems, metal roofs, and slate roofs. Torch down roofs are extremely durable and can withstand harsh weather conditions. If you're considering a torch down roof, be sure to choose a reputable contractor who has experience with this type of roofing system. Call McHenry Roofing at 410-774-6609 or visit https://mchenryroofing.business.site/ to learn about the benefits, maintenance, and disadvantages of torch down roofing from experts who can walk you through the installation process.